What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's getting a little late and this is gonna be probably a short vlog, but while I was at work I got a package, and this is something that I ordered over a month ago that was being made for me, and I am absolutely excited to get this on the Z, and I can't wait. So this can be a short vlog, but first we got to go get the Z, pull it into the garage here, and we will do an unboxing and an install. So let's go get the Z. Alright, now that we've got the Z pulled in the garage, let's start with the unboxing. Interesting. I know what this is going to be for. Oh, baby! Look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Don't want to scratch it, so I'm laying down this little towel right here because I know we have to flip this over and see all the resin to make the mold. And I know this right here probably needs to be cut up, but will guard or go into each one of these. I'll go ahead and install this in each one of these little vents here when I have more light and more time. But for right now, I'm just gonna stick this in the back of the Z because this car isn't really gonna move from here for a little bit inside the garage. So let's go ahead and just put this on the car and see what it looks like, because that's the main goal for the day. So in case you missed it in one of the previous videos, let's go ahead and go over again how to remove the nose panel from a Nissan 300ZX. It's really simple, 2 screws. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a stubby screwdriver, doesn't matter. Let's do it. So it's literally just a screw here and a screw here, and that's all it is. And this will come right out. So upon further inspection, when it comes to the carbon fiber nose panel, I knew that there would be some weather stripping that we need to install along the top and the bottom. However, there's also screws to take this out, and then these are also little plugs that hold the nose panel in place. Down here, they're not even tapped for screws or anything. So we're definitely going to need to drill these out here really soon. And so we can get this weather panel on and also get this up top. These also have screws up here, 4 of them along this weather stripping. And once again, this one up here is not tapped. There are holes where they're supposed to go, they're just not drilled out. So it looks like we're gonna have to get some drills and drill these out here pretty soon, probably in the next couple days. Here it is. This is what it looks like just sitting in place where it's supposed to go. Man, that looks freaking sweet. I cannot wait to properly mount this thing and drill the holes in the proper place, get the mounting bracket on, get the weather stripping on, make sure it looks legit in there and it'll sit a little better. but I just wanted to just do this quick little video because I'm so excited to have this. I want to show you guys first, and just let you see the unboxing and everything, and so you can get a hint of where the car is going. But for right now, obviously it's just sitting in place. Still need to mount it, but I'll come next couple of days. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.